What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the technique of earning money via commissions for each and every time you promote and drive a sale of a product for a company. How does affiliate marketing work? 1. Affiliate program. 2. Promotion. 3. Sale. 4. Commission. Benefits of affiliate marketing companies' point of view. 1. Targeted marketing. 2. Pay for performance and sale. 3. Low risk. 4. Time saving on marketing. 5. Growth of brand awareness. Individual affiliates' point of view. 1. Passive income. 2. Work from anywhere in the world. 3. No need to create a product or a service. Affiliate marketing networks. Affiliate marketing networks is the vortex for affiliate marketing. Factors to be kept in mind while joining an affiliate network. 1. Commission rates. 2. Product and service selection. 3. Approval requirements. 4. Cookie duration. Top affiliate marketing networks. 1. Shere sale. 2. Win. 3. Amazon Associates. 4. CJ Affiliate. 5. Rakuten Advertising. 6. Avangate Affiliate Network. 7. ClickBank. 8. Peerfly. 9. Flex Offers. 10. JVZoo. Different techniques used for affiliate marketing. 1. Blogging on your website. 2. Social media. 3. Email lists. 4. Videos. 5. Influencer marketing. 6. Microsites. Main components to create an affiliate marketing website. Domain name. 1. Brandable name related to your business. For e.g., www.cookingwithrima.com. 2. Stick with the a.com extension. 3. GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, etc. Hosting provider. 1. Keeps your website up and running. 2. Always have a good hosting provider, considering technical support and security. 3. SiteGround, Bluehost, etc. WordPress. 1. Content management system. 2. Here is where you upload and store your articles, videos, and all the content. 3. Also customization of your website as it grows. How to choose a niche. 1. Most important and difficult decision. 2. Passion versus business. 3. List down the things you love. 4. Narrow down your niche. 5. Too broad, too competitive. 6. Analyze your niche. Strategies for getting traffic. 1. Maintain the content quality equivalent to authority site. 2. Provide recommendations. 3. Build trust. 4. Onboard experts if required. Common mistakes done by beginners. 1. Choosing the wrong niche in search of big money. 2. Signing up for many affiliate programs. Too many products. 3. Compromising on quality and increasing quantity of content. 4. Poor design of website and no track of website performance. 5. Not learning. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share.